foremost is the apical meristem. When we talk about apical meristem, if you could remember, is an example of primary meristem. Okay, so apical meristems, these meristems, they are located at the tips of roots and shoots. That's where they can be found. At where the tips and roots, they can be found at the tips of the roots and that of the shoots. Okay, so that is their location, and their function is that they help to cause an increase in the length of plant organs. All right, so if the buttress the increase of plant organs, then that means that they are responsible for primary growth. Okay, so example, we can talk about the root apical meristem, and we can talk about the shoot apical meristem. So the roots and the shoots, you understand? Okay, there was a man called Heberlens. All right, so this man Heberlens, he divided the primary meristem, i.e. apical meristems, into three regions, of which they are protoderm, procambium, and ground meristem. This Heberlens section or categorize the primary meristems, i.e. apical meristems, into three regions on the basis of their function, the role that these regions will play. So let's take them one after the other. Alright, so when we take the protoderm, according to Heberlens, this protoderm that we are talking about, they form the outermost layer of the primary meristem. Okay, so by the activity of the protoderm, we form the epidermal tissue system, which is the ETS, and the epidermal tissue system consists of the epidermis. You can talk about the stomata, you can talk about the stem hairs or the trichomes. You understand? He also said that the procambium is made up of elongated cells. Okay, and the procambium also give rise to the vascular tissue system, which comprise of the xylem and the phlegm, right? So they are said to be the vascular bundles. Then the last group, the ground meristem. These ground meristems are, the cells are thin walled. Okay, they are thin walled, and they form the GTS. When we talk about the GTS, we are talking about the ground tissue system. Alright, so this comprise of the hypodermis, the general cortex, the endodermis, the pericycle, the pith rays, also known as the medullary rays, and the pith, also called the medulla. Alright, okay, so that is it for the apical meristem. The next type of meristem based on location is the intercalary meristem. Okay, the intercalary meristem. Okay, the intercalary meristem also is an example of what? Primary meristem. You understand? Hope you get it. Alright. Okay, so with the intercalary meristem, they are found at the base of internode of monocot stems. Let's take bamboo or sugarcane for instance. The base of the internode of these stems, that's where they are located, right? And sometimes too, we can encounter the intercalary meristems at the base of leaves. So they are responsible for the increase in length of leaves. Okay, so they cause an increase in length of plant organs, right? The last group of meristems based on location is the lateral meristem. You know, when you are playing football, you have some players that to be on the lateral sides, right? Yeah, so the lateral meristems, these meristems are found on the lateral side of the plants. Okay, that's where they are located, and their activity results in an increase in the circumference or the girth or the thickness of the plant's organs. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel and also share to other people for them to enjoy this nice tutorial. In our next video, we're talking about a key aspect of various theories related to plant anatomy and physiology. Thank you.